Welcome to TOEFL Success. TOEFL listening practice. You will hear the lecture only one time. You should take notes while you listen. After each lecture, you will answer some questions about it. You will have 30 seconds to answer each question.
Listen to the lecture about the Industrial Revolution and take notes. The Industrial Revolution was one of the most significant periods of change in human history, occurring primarily between the late 1700s and the mid-1800s. This transformation began in Great Britain and eventually spread throughout Europe and North America, fundamentally changing how people lived, worked, and interacted with their environment. Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in rural areas and worked from home or on farms. Manufacturing was done by hand in people's homes or small workshops, using basic tools and simple machines. This system, known as domestic production or the cottage industry, was slow and inefficient compared to what was to come. The Industrial Revolution brought about massive changes through several key developments. The invention of new machines, particularly in the textile industry, allowed for faster and more efficient production. The spinning jenny, invented by James Hargreaves in 1764, could spin multiple threads simultaneously, while the water frame and power loom revolutionized cloth production. These innovations led to the creation of factories, where machines could be operated on a large scale. The development of steam power was another crucial advancement. James Watt's improved steam engine became the driving force behind industrialization, powering factories, locomotives, and ships. This new source of power wasn't limited by location like water wheels, allowing factories to be built anywhere. The steam engine also revolutionized transportation through railways, making it possible to move goods and people faster than ever before. The Industrial Revolution also transformed society. As factories grew, people moved from rural areas to cities in search of work, leading to rapid urbanization. This migration created new challenges, including overcrowded housing, poor sanitation, and harsh working conditions. Workers often faced long hours, dangerous conditions, and low wages. Children were frequently employed in factories, working in hazardous conditions for little pay. However, the Industrial Revolution also brought positive changes. The middle class grew as new business opportunities emerged. Living standards gradually improved as mass production made goods more affordable. Education became more accessible, and technological innovations led to advances in medicine and public health. The revolution also had significant environmental impacts. The increased use of coal for power led to air pollution in industrial cities. Factories discharged waste into rivers, and the rapid growth of cities strained natural resources. These environmental challenges were the beginning of issues we still grapple with today. The Industrial Revolution's legacy continues to influence our world. It set the foundation for modern manufacturing, transportation, and urban life. The period's innovations and challenges help us understand current debates about technology, labor rights, and environmental protection.
What was the primary significance of the Industrial Revolution? Which invention revolutionized the textile industry? Based on the passage, why did people move from rural areas to cities? Which of these was not a negative effect of the Industrial Revolution? How is the information in the passage primarily organized?
Please like and subscribe.